What's up guys, and welcome to i-LiveWild vlog. Today I'm out on the farm testing out some new tires on the Land Rover. I've got the Gripmax Mud Rage RTs, kindly sponsored by Mark's Tyres in Ladysmith. So if you guys ever need any tire assistance or anything tire related, shocks, anything of that order, go give the guys a visit at Mark's Tyres in Ladysmith. They will really go out of their way to help you. Anyway, so today I'm driving about the Lady Alice, getting her legs stretched a little bit, taking some routes that I've never driven before, which is pretty fun. Some a bit intense, but nothing the Landy can't handle. Yeah, it's quite a scorcher of a day. I think it's around 38 or somewhere there, close to 40 I would say, especially in the bush. Yeah. So the tires, I've got them for 3 weeks now, 3 to 4 weeks, 3 weeks to a month, somewhere around there. And I must say, so far I'm pretty amped. I moved over from the Dunlop MT2 mud terrains, 255 85 16s. Now I'm back onto standard Land Rover size, running 235 85 16s. The proper Maury biscuits, if you will. It's not the old 750 16s, but it's close enough to a Maury biscuit in my opinion. I prefer the 235s in my honest opinion. The 255s were nice, they're nice and big, you score a lot on ground clearance, but driving this old donkey, the TDI power is a little bit of an issue, especially out on the open road. I lose a lot on the bigger tires, where it's not worth the sacrifice having them for that little bit of extra comfort in the bush. But I still need to travel to wherever I need to get. So yeah, luckily the Landy is not a daily driver, so that seems to help quite a bit. But nevertheless, the 235 85 16s are still my preferred tire size of choice for the Land Rover Defender. If I could, if my rims would have allowed it, I would have fit that onto my Ford Ranger as well, but unfortunately I have 8J rims on the Ranger, and they are just too wide for the 235s. So yeah, unfortunately that's not going to help. But yeah, let's talk Land Rover, let's talk tires. So far I've had them dry tar obviously, and I've inflated them to around 2.2 bar all around. The Landy being permanent 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive for that sake. I like to have all my tire pressures the same, between 2.2 and 2.5. If I start getting off-road, I'll go down to 1.2, 1 bar sometimes even less, 0.8 bars if needed. The average off-road, if I just do a bit of dirt roads, light off-roading, I'll go down to 1.5, 1.6, just for that extra bit of ride comfort, especially over rocks, and protecting the tires. That's the ultimate of it, is to protect the tire, to ultimately let them last as long as what they can, to keep you safe ultimately in the outdoors. So yeah, 1.6. Currently I'm running on 2 bars. Roughly, I haven't checked them since the last inflation, but they should still be around 2 bars. And what I've picked up, especially on the Ranger, on the Landy as well, if you inflate your tires to 2 bars for example, and you do a bit of tar road, open road, say 100 kilometers, your tire pressure increases with the heat by at least 0.3 bar. So yeah, that's also something to consider when you inflate your tires. And It's also why they always say inflate your tires when they are full. Don't drive 100 or 200 kilometers and then decide you want to inflate your tire to the correct pressure, because they are not going to be correct after a night of standing outside and cooling down. Yeah, so currently I'm driving on a little Jeep track. It's a little bit bouncy and rough and tough and almost no road at the moment. I don't believe a lot of people travel here quite a lot. And there's a big hole of some sort. Might be a bush pig or warthog. No snake today. Yeah, on this Jeep track, it's a lot of slate, a lot of gravel, there's a lot of rock, all sorts of rocks. It's pretty intense, bouncing, driving over boulders, over rock slabs, eroded ground, but it's not too bad. Land Rover's in high range as normal. I haven't even touched the donkey gear yet. I'm just cruising around in first gear, just keeping the wheels rolling. And I must say, the Gripmaxes are keeping up to their name. They are really gripping to the max. Earlier I went through a little bit of a stream, a small little water crossing, and totally underestimated it. It turned out there was zero bottom. It looked like just a little bit of water over a bit of shale and some mud, nothing too major. It's something that I've driven 100 times in my life before. And now today I almost got caught out of that. It just shows you how quickly things can change out here when you are driving out and about. The story is that although I almost got caught out, I did not deflate my tires, number one. Number two, I was not in low range, which I don't think is necessary totally when you do small stream crossings like that. But these Mud Rage tires lived up. They kept me going. They found grip between that wet shale and clay where I don't think anything else would have found grip. If I was on my Ranger at the moment with the all-terrain tires, that would have definitely been a problem. I would have had to go into low range and maybe deflock and hope for the best to get out of that situation. If not, it is quite far into the bush where people generally do not drive around and get to. So to be able to would have had getting help out there would have been another problem. So my plan was to drive up in that little river creek. But yeah, it's just not possible at the moment. We've had quite a bit of rain, so, and when I say quite a bit, I mean a lot of rain. So everything is flooded, everything is saturated, everything is wet, it's muddy. Today is a very sunny, nice day and warm, like I said earlier, but underneath it makes like a hard crust on top, and then below that it's chaos. There's just nothing, no grip, no place to hold on to. Once you break through the crust, it's chaos. So yeah, Gripmax 260, 235, 85 16s, they are producing. I've had them in like a black pot soil clay situation as well. And same situation, I did not even need to deflate tires or engage low range whatsoever. The landy just crawled through it and it was quite sloggy and sludgy. The tires seem to be cleaning themselves quite well, which I enjoy. So ultimately that helps. The more the tire turns, the more it cleans, the more grip it finds. And another cool thing that I enjoy about these tires are the sidewall protection and the sidewall grip. And they've got a bunch of grip on the side. They just bite onto everything. If it's wet or dry, rocky, sandy, you name it, it happens. Got a couple of warthogs running out here now. Yeah, so it is a really spectacular tire. I'm really enjoying it so far. And yeah, cool, keen to keep you guys updated. I'm going to be doing a review on them, a write-up on my blog, so keep an eye out for that. And I'll also be posting some photos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'll try to do a bit of video along my way as well, out here on the farm, getting a bit of action shots of the tires and all kinds of situations. See what we can do for you guys. If you guys have any questions or any topics that you would like me to discuss, please let me know. I'm keen to find out if I don't know things, and yeah, I always enjoy a bit of research. So yeah, I'm keen to hear from you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is a start of a new journey for me. Vlogging was not something that I'm used to, but I'm going to try, and I hope you guys are not too bored by my voice, and I'm keen to keep in touch with you guys. Have a lekker day. Cheers.